All right, so this is my island bed. I expanded it this year. It was probably about it came right here. It was a sharper curve. It was more this way, but I went ahead and took, when I was expanding that bed, I went ahead and also expanded this. When I was creating that bed, I expanded this as well. So now we have more growing space. So with this bed, initially my goal was to have it other than the trees. So that's an Auckland holly. I have 2 Auckland hollies, and I have an Eden rose right here. I don't think I spoke about, I have another Eden rose right there. I might have not have spoken about it, but I have 3 of them. So I have 2 in this bed and 1 right there. So I thought this would just be an annual bed, putting annual plantings, but I changed my mind this year and I wanted it to be a little bit more evergreen. So I put quite a bunch of shrubs and some more perennials, but mostly evergreens. Okay, so this is Auckland holly. We have some ferns here. That is a curly leaf kale. It's an edible kale. I just put it in there. Again, I want to do this permaculture thing where you mix in things. You mix in flowers and fruits and edibles and ornamentals. That's my goal. That's a dwarf witch's broom, Mexican heather. That's oh my god, I'm blanking. That's another mum. I have some yellow mums in here. We have some crotons, the big leaf croton, and then this one I think is the gold dust croton. This is a Gardenia radicans. This is a Selena red mums. This is an orange mums. I need to go ahead and clean all these out. You're supposed to pinch mums as soon as they, I need to, so that the new ones can come. You see, like that, the new blooms can come. So I need to go ahead and pinch all the mums. I planted these. Okay, this is a Ihora. I planted these. These are new roses for me. They're very pretty. Romantica ball gown, and they look exactly, when they bloom, they look exactly like that. So I have this pink one here. I have a top cream, a white one right there, and I have another similar Romantica ball gown pink one right there, and a white one right here. And they are surrounding this this red bud here that's now already going to sleep for the fall and winter. This is another Abelia. This is a Francis Mason Abelia. I planted this last year, and I think it looks good. These mums, this is the old mums from a couple of years ago. I did paint a little bit from that one right there, and I painted a little bit and came and planted it here in I think the end of August, and it's already picked up. Okay, this side we have, this is another kale. It's a curly leaf kale. It's edible, it's regular veggie. This is rosea. There we go. What is this? Yeah, this is a rosea dwarf. I'm blanking out on the name. I'll remember it when I get to the other side. It has very pretty pink flowers in the spring. That's another Ihora. This is a top cream rose. I don't think you can see. Yeah, top primrose, you'll see the tag on the other side. It's a white one. Looks very similar to that Romantica ball gown. Some more mums. All of these need to be pinched. Okay, mums. This is another Eden Rose. It's a climber. I'll show you the tag on the other end. And we have another Gardenia radicans, mums, purple fountain grass, in between the goldust croton, the regular croton, and there's another mums here. So again, this one was pinched from an old one, just took a clump of it, came and planted here, and it's established right there. We have some more ferns right here. We have oh, so this is interesting. So this salvia looks blue. I don't know if it's coming through on the phone. It looks really blue. It is supposed to be purple. So this, I pinched this from those salvias right there. So the mother plant is still purple, but what I planted here looks more blue. Interesting. You see it here. You see it looks more blue than the mother plant. Okay. There are some more ferns. So this side I pretty much repeat the same things, with the exception that I now have, instead of the Gardenia radicans that I have on that side, I now have a dwarf bottle brush. And I think the other bottle brush has already started blooming. So this is the Eden Climber Rose. See, it's very pretty. And it's true to this. And it's very similar to this. This one is this Romantica ball gown, which is a shrub rose. They look very similar. But this is the climber. Okay, so we have a repeat. So we have a Mexican heather, some mums. You see how well purple and yellow do. I like that interplay of colors. Yeah. Some more mums. These are another Ihora. I think there's a kale here. Yes, there's another kale right there. We have some snapdragons as well put throughout. And these small plants that you're seeing everywhere, these are zinnias. So if you watched my chop and drop video, you saw when at the end of summer, I did pretty much chop and drop all the zinnias that were here. And I knew that some of the flowers were going to seed. So these are now, they've seeded. You see, some of them are here. Whether or not they make it through the winter, who knows? I'll let them be. But here, we see some more. So all these are zinnias. Right here. Covina, you need to move. Move, Covina. Those zinnias. This is the other rose, the other white rose. So you can see the tag. Top cream. It's very fragrant. It's a hybrid tea rose. So they should grow big. So that's another Ihora. We have snapdragons. Yes, I knew this. Yeah, I remember this one that started flowering. Blooming. So you see, these are dwarf bottle brush. Right there. It's pretty. I don't know how big the dwarf bottle brush gets. I'm hoping not more than 3 feet. Because the regular ones grow really big. But I'm hoping the dwarf one stays actually dwarf. Okay. So we're coming back to this side again. Look at that color combination. Very pretty. So we have Mexican heather, salvias, mums, and we have some snapdragons, zinnias that seeded themselves. So this here, this is, there are 6 of them in this bed. This is a Duranta Gold that I cut from those right there. So I cut them. There's a video on the channel when I did it, and I planted them. So there are 6 of them. So there's one here, another one. Oh, this one is doing better. There's another one here. It's probably getting more sun. There's a third one here, and then there are 3 more on that side. So we'll see how they look like as they grow. Okay, yeah, so this is a dwarf witch's broom, Pittosporum, I think that's the name. It's also new. So these are the new shrubs that I put in this year. I wanted this bed to have life pretty much throughout the year. And for us, roses are an evergreen, so that's why I added some more roses. And I also added we have the abelias, which will give us color, foliage color throughout the year as well. Okay, so with this, I've come to the end of the tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll have another tour in the spring. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye.